Important benefits about pendulum dowsing and divination techniques. The first benefit is I would like to tell you that it satisfies your human curiosity. Yes, no matter how much at peace, how much calm, how much faith you have, somewhere deep down there is this feverishness, there is this question about will this happen or not? Is this going in the right direction? Am I doing the right thing? We are constantly questioning ourselves, we are constantly questioning things around us. So, pendulum dowsing is a method with which you can get tangible answers. Like it's literally like you're having a conversation with the universal intelligence and you're getting results. You can see it in front of your eyes. It is not like you're meditating and an answer, dawns onto you. It's not like it is something that you can see and touch with your, and understand with your five sense organs. That is what pendulum dowsing helps you. It helps you satisfy and calm down your fears, your insecurities, your question that normally tend to arise as a part of human tendency. That is the first thing. So you can ask yes and no questions. You can get clarity about whether a certain decision is good for you or not. Or it might be something as simple as buying something, or it might be something as big as making a life changing decision, or making a move in your stock market and all of that. So in all of this, pendulum helps you get a direction, right? Of course, future cannot be predicted. It is subjective and it is all in your hands how you act in your present. But what pendulum does is it does not predict, it talks about the possibility, right? So we are living in a very practical scientific world where we understand that future is not a rigid something or a place that you go to. Future is something that you create based on your present. So how does pendulum dowsing and divination help you here? Is it helps you get a grasp or an understanding of how much possibility is there for a certain something to happen. So I'm probably asking a question of, will I get a job in so and so place? So I'm using pendulum dowsing for it. It will tell me what is the possibility for me to land a job in that particular place. Once I get the answer, my future is actually in my hands. I can decide whether to work on it, allow it to manifest, or I can choose to work in the opposite direction. So let us say when I look at pendulum dowsing, it says that it gives me a 70% probability of it happening. That means to say I can be very sure that with whatever efforts, 100% efforts I put, 70% chances are I will land the job. So it calms me down to a large extent. But let us say that although it says 70%, I'm not very happy about it. And I'm like, you know what? I don't want this job. So what happens then? What happens then is you change your method of work. You change your thought pattern, you change your actions, and your future will automatically change. Most people believe that going to an astrologer or using such tools will help you predict future. No, it talks about the possibility. It talks about the percentage possibility of how much something is going to happen or has a possibility of happening based on the energy conditions, the wave patterns, the energy vibrations of the universe regarding that particular part. How is it that it works? Well, like I said, you're not an island in itself, you're not a separate entity, you're a part of the universal intelligence. So when you're using pendulum dowsing, your own subconscious gets connected to the universal consciousness, and you tend to, you're able to decode the answers that you get when a pendulum functions. It starts responding to the energy vibrations in question. Very similar to how a radio transmitter works. There are so many frequencies, but you need to tune in to a particular frequency to hear or to get information from that is being transmitted in that frequency. Pendulum is a tool that helps you tune in to the frequency or the energy of your question, of your possibility, of your query, or whatever it is that you're dealing with, and you're able to decode the answer. If there is a lower energy or a lower vibration, then possibility is less. So what can you do? Can you increase the possibility? Yes. You can put in more effort, you can work on your energy system, you can work with affirmations. There's so many ways in which you can make your present work and create a future that you want. Pendulum dowsing or any divination technique does not guarantee a future, but yes, it definitely gives you a direction. It gives you some idea about what is possible if you put the required amount of effort. So just because you have a pendulum in your hand, you know how to use it, does not mean everything is set and done. Effort is still required. It's just that you are on a road and there is darkness around, and the beauty is you have a torch in your hand. Your pendulum is that torch, or any tool, divination tool is a torch which helps you get an idea of what kind of path is in front of you. But ultimately, you're the one who has to decide how to walk, where to walk on the path. So, pendulum or any divination tool helps you get an idea about the possibility. Then the choice is in your hand. And whatever you do in your present, okay, that is why it's called a present, because it's a beautiful gift which helps you transform things. Whatever you do in your present is what helps you decide what your future is going to be like.